So this is our room in the Paradise Tower on the 16th floor. We have one king size bed, and it looks like we have 2 nightstands on either side. Nice painting there. Here's the wardrobe, the luggage rack, a few hangers, and an iron up there. Around the side we have our TV, a Keurig, and let's take a look what's in here. We have our safe, which does look big enough to hold a laptop. Some drawers, some waters. I don't know if those are complimentary or not. I get a little bit iffy to touch some things in the room to make sure that I'm not charged for it. There is also a chair on this side and some shutter windows. I don't know if you'll be able to see a view because it is nighttime, but we'll take a look. So these open like this, and this is our view. See the Luxor, Mandalay Bay, our Tropicana sign, more down that way. This is a view of the room from the other side. I forgot to close that there. This is the view of the nightstand on this side. The decor does look a bit dated, but nothing really too bad. Carpet as well looks a little bit older. This is the bathroom, a lot of counter space, some amenities. The shower and tub combo. Pretty big size shower head. There's a little bit of damage to the tub there, but it's fine. Then you have a nice big mirror. Down here is the hair dryer and some towels. Overall, I would say that this room is nice if you do not plan on being in the room for very long and you just kind of want a nice spot to stay in between going to the strip. But I did forget to show you this nice ceiling decal here. But thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, feel free to give it a like, and thank you. Bye.